Data centers are one of the fastest growing industries in the AI boom here in 2025, and APLD is one of the main companies we've been watching. We saw them push up to as high as $15.50 recently. We start to see them sell back down, and over the last few weeks, consolidate from left to right. We just entered a trade which hasn't moved. They were targeting this $11 price point. Why is it that we're focused on APLD? Well, their financials and their income statement has seen increases in revenue annually, starting to look better. Their net income's negative and their liabilities are still pretty high, which does pose some risk, but we see pretty steadily increasing financials there. When it comes to the value that we're watching in the company, there's a lot of reasons to look at data centers. They are focused on building data centers for NVDA, Intel, you got Supermicro Computer, as well as Dell and Hewlett Packard. So it would make sense for them to grow more here in the future.